So we've just arrived in Ulsan after 3.5 hours na biyahe. Abot na gid mi. It's currently 1:30 a.m. So gikan na mi game from Wonju. Daog mi thankfully. So napod mi game tomorrow. So time to rest, time to get ready for bed, and trabaho na pud ugma. Peace. Good morning guys. Start of another day. Karon atong agenda is magkaon me. Then nami film around 2 p.m. I guess. Then practice after. Tapos after that siguro mag weights ko. So kato kailangan nato i-maintain atong ang strength sa lawas. So need na to mag weights regularly. So kato lang i-update mo. So I just came back from a workout. Ipatawag mi sa ubos nag intervals, dagan mi sa treadmill mga low minutes sa yesterday's game. So I only played 1 minute. So kailangan mo dagan, need daw magpa-condition. So karon time to eat lunch. Siguro shower first then eat lunch. So yeah. So it's time for lunch. We got some rice and steak. Kani among almost always gonna order if nami diri sa Ulsan. And also we got some pasta, like tomato pasta. So, yep, medyo solid atong lunch. Kompleto, we got carbs, we got protein. Tanan atong kailangan for fuel sa atong daily activities. So, yep, kaon ako. I-explain na din ako sa inyo ang gibuhat na mo ganina sa among workout this morning. Among gibuhat kay murag cardio or kanang endurance. Nag-start may warm up, low speeds, siguro mga 3, 5 sa treadmill din for like 5 minutes siguro. Tapos started cracking up the speeds. So among first kay ang speed kay 20, tapos 30 seconds work, 20 seconds rest siguro. So we did that for 8 sets. Tapos after ato napami isa ka interval na gibuhat. We did, ang speed naman is 17, then we did that for 1 minute, tapos rest, walk for 1 minute po or 30 seconds. Then kato we did that for 3 sets. Then after ato mga mong morning workout sa mga wala kayo kitaganog minutes sa mong past game. So yup, mao siguro lang way to, siguro to just stay in good condition. Mao siguro. So karon human lang ko ning lunch, then natay film in about 2 hours. So was that really good?
Is there a problem?
It seems like every time I change a song or stop listening to a song, you know what's so crazy? And this is why I say what I say.
Man, I let it fly.
That's some Chappelle show shit. That nigga said racial slurs that everybody fucked up. Called me first and second dick.
I didn't know he was recording. That's my fault. I won't let it happen again, I swear.
So, nung mga tag-practice, karon may KFC with imports. Magbuhat na mo nag-shoot along na may go someplace sa kalaban. Then, yep, shooting mo lang. Light practice. Kaya ugma game na. So, karon, yeah, dinner.
우주인카 빌려가지고 이것만 지금 우주인카 결제 가능하죠?
Well, no, I say I just gotta like, because part I respect, because respectfully, a lot of 75-80% of the black athletes,
Namin sa KFC karon kahit may among dinner. Pero sa hotel na makauna. Pagabot mo hotel, before here ko mag-dinner, mag-wait sa ako. Para after na mag-dinner, diretso na pahulay.
he ready to prepare to go home and break his family until he got hurt. So yeah, he won't.
So we're at the gym na. Mag-start na tag workout. Atong program day is from sa atong SNC coach, si Coach Marv. Dubuze Performance. Shout out Dubuze Performance. I would say one of the best SNC coaches out there. And he's gonna give us a good program for our workout karon. So, tara. Start na to. So, bago na ito na mag-weights, papain ka ta sa atong room. Magkaon na tag dinner, finally. So, yup. See you guys there. So, I'm back in my room. Naka-shower na. Ready na to eat my KFC. So, I guess that's it for now. Thank you sa pag tanaw, and I'll see you guys sa next vlog na to. Peace.